ya Shakahola ikereka ria gatatatu niaugite ati hari miiri inana iria makoretwo magithuthuria yonanitie ati aya anana makorirwo magikua kurumirira o kwaga irio. Ningi oduor niongereire na kuga ati mundu uria wiriga gukwira kana gukwira njera-ini uthuthuria wake ni ukirekereire na riu kiria gitigarite no family ya mundu uyu gukorwo igitambura mwendwa wao. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti iyo igie uthuthuria wa miiri ya Shakahola.
Ikereka ria gatatu ria uthuthuria wa kiria giacungiriririo ikuũ cia andu aria mathinekanirio ni morutani mogomu ma Paul Mackenzie ni irikireire umuthi kuria miiri inana irikitie guthuthurio. Riboti ino iheanitwo ni muthuthuria wa miiri wa thirikari Johansen oduor na kuga miiri 7 ni ya andu agima na mwiri umwe ni wa mwana kuria 3 ni ya arume na 5 ya atumia.
Today we finished the third phase of postmortem process, and we've done a total of 8 postmortems. Of these 8 postmortems, adults were 7, while one was a child.
Na merema imwe kuria ya ciana ikinyite 117.
Far from the time we started the exercise, we have performed
tunenana ithikuritio na uyu ni undu wagiriire kwandikwo mabuku-ini ma kiririkano.
Because you know this is a subject of a lot of consultation which is going and which you've never experienced before, because doing autopsy on 338 bodies is not something which is very simple, isn't it? Yeah. So what we found, we've learned about the process itself. We've learned about the causes of death, and also we've learned a lot about the process of deterioration of bodies, which probably we can also publish, in scientific journals. Yeah.
Ndoine ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Mubi wa Munyiri.
Thengio muno mundu gwetwo ti Mubi wa Munyiri ni tondu wa riboti iyo njega.